parts. Can't be sitting at home just waiting for the UPS truck. Looks like some rain. Usual, kind of normal for the mountains. Clear, dry during the mornings, and then as the fronts hit, the clouds form, and then you get the rain. Loving this cam, second gear. That aluminum block. Hope it's a good one. Some of these houses are year-round. Hopefully they're retired people that don't have to go up and down these roads in a snowstorm. There's Estes Park over there where the snow is up there. Ah, it's nice and cool. Somebody's house. Long driveway to their house. Kind of cruising around. Uh-oh. Just as I feared. Always worry about dogs when this happens. Like that. Sorry. Well, we didn't make it to Estes Park, but I had a good time. I got off in some mountain residential area and thought I was on a road. Ended up to be a very long driveway. Went to the top of a mountain, and a retired man and woman lived there, and boy, talk about friendly and welcoming. And turned out this guy was into wood carving and woodworking, and showed me his stuff, and we talked about my car and had a pleasant time. And I saw the sky getting pretty dark, so I headed back home, and yeah, just made it. Just made it. So, hope you're having a good day and a good weekend. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing. TheEZGZ out.